Mekitsa is one of Bulgaria's most beloved comfort foods, a golden, airy fried dough that carries childhood memories, weekend mornings, and the smell of home. Today, we're taking you to the heart of the city to see how this simple pastry becomes pure magic. Mekitsa is a beloved Bulgarian pastry, soft, airy, golden, and slightly crispy on the edges. Every family has its own recipe, passed down through generations. Mekitsa dough is simple, just flour, yeast, and water, but the secret is in the texture: soft, stretchy, sticky, and rested long enough to become airy when fried. Mekitsa is made fresh right in front of you. The vendor stretches each piece by hand, creating that iconic, uneven, rustic shape that makes every mekitsa unique. The magic happens in the oil. The dough puffs instantly, turning golden and crisp. This is the moment every Bulgarian knows: the sound of frying mekitsa. The dough hits the hot oil with a soft sizzle. It puffs instantly, turning golden and crisp on the outside while staying soft inside. This is the moment every Bulgarian knows: the smell that fills the air and makes you hungry even if you weren't before. Once fried, mekitsa becomes a canvas. Powdered sugar for the sweet lovers. Brown sugar with apricot jam for something richer. Any jam or marmalade. Chocolate spread for the modern twist. Or the classic salty version, with white Bulgarian cheese. For Bulgarians, mekitsa isn't just food, it's tradition. It's the taste of childhood weekends, school trips, and family gatherings. A simple pastry that carries stories, memories, and a little bit of joy in every bite. People stop for mekitsa on their way to work, after school, or just because the smell is impossible to resist. It's comfort food, simple, warm, and deeply Bulgarian. Maybe sweet, maybe savory, or somewhere in between. So next time you're in Sofia, try mekitsa your way. It's a small bite of Bulgaria you'll never forget.